Welcome back to Pivot Towards Freedom Business Channel, where we cover everything you need to know about online businesses or bringing your business online. Today I will cover integrating AWeber, an autoresponder, into a landing page you create within Google Sites. Before we go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and click the notification bell so you will know when new content is available. In the end, if you found the video useful, do not forget to click the like button. In digital marketing, the purpose of a landing page is to make a visitor convert. Whether it is to sign up for an event, subscribe to your newsletter, or donate to a worthy cause, the landing page focuses on a single action. You can use Convertry, ClickFunnels, a page on your WordPress website, or you can create a free landing page on Google Sites and start building your email list without using a paid option. Now let me share my screen with you and get this show on the road. Before we can integrate our form into our Google site landing page, we need to have a form. I'm using AWeber for the purposes of this tutorial, but just about any autoresponder will use the same principles. So in AWeber, go ahead and go to Sign Up Forms, create a new sign up form, and select For My Website. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to go with the standard template, but since AWeber offers a huge gallery of templates, at this point you would choose a template that best fits your needs. As I said, for this tutorial, I'm going to go with the simple email sign-up template form that has a simple name field, an email field, and a submit button. Once you're finished designing your form, save your form, and go to step 2. Step 2, you want to give your form a name. I'm going to name mine My Great Landing Page Form. You can keep the thank you page and the already subscribed page in the defaults if you wish, or you can modify them. That's up to you. Once that step is done to your satisfaction, save your form and go to step 3. This is important. You want to click the selection I will install my form and choose the raw HTML version. You want to copy the complete text in this box and save it somewhere. Just to check to see if this is in your sign-up forms, just go back to sign-up forms and you'll see that our form is already in our AWeber sign-up forms. Next, go to your Google Drive. If you don't know how to go to Google Drive or to create a Google Sites web page, the link to a prior tutorial is in the description. Go ahead and go to that. For now, I'll just assume you already know how to do this. So we want a new landing page. We click New, More, Google Sites, and we're presented with the standard page template. Give this page a name. Site name if we want to. Now this is the important part. We want to embed the code that we copied into the body. To do that, we click the Embed option in the menu over here. We want to embed code, and we want to embed the code that we copied. Click Next, and we'll see a preview of the form that we have in AWeber. Name field, email field, submit button, looks the same. I'm happy with it. Click Insert. Now, if we don't like the placement of our form, then we just click and drag it to where we want it. Now, you can make this landing page fancy, change the colors and everything else. That I cover in a previous tutorial of how you can do that. But the important thing is we now have our form embedded in our landing page. Before this landing page becomes effective, where everybody can get to it, we of course need to publish it. Make sure it's public. So that we can send traffic to it. And publish it. And if we want, we can view it. And our landing page is now public and can be seen by search engines. And it can also be seen by any traffic that we send to it. So you can now expand your email list. Congratulations. You now have the basics of integrating an autoresponder into a landing page on a free Google Sites website.